What's happening right now could just be the short-term little correction for the last 3 months, and then we see a very big move. And I'm going to show you exactly how to actually have the edge around these markets utilized in this sort of stuff. And one of the big things that I always love utilizing is a thing called price and time. Now, what that simply means is I've just noticed that whenever we get these very long extended periods of sideways movements in the markets, they either mean two things, right? They either mean a distribution or an accumulation, right? A distribution or an accumulation. The distribution simply means that the big boys are now starting to sell off. Accumulation is where the big boys are accumulating, and then we get a big move like we saw with platinum, right? If this breaks down from here, but then completely reverses, so if we get if we get this pattern here, but the market breaks down like that there, below this support level, but then regains really quickly, this is actually now what's called a sideways pattern. But as soon as we get something like this here, where it breaks down and then comes right back up again, this is now here an actual sucker breakdown in the market, and then it creates a slingshot pattern. The slingshot pattern, typically when it does that, then we end up breaking out through there, and then we go for another move back to the upside. This bottom here is that little fake out to get people short, and then the real rally starts. So if I bring you back now to the S&P 500 to show you what I'm seeing through here, is as you can see here, right, this is exactly what we got on the S&P 500. You read the markets from a technical analysis point of view, not from an indicator point of view. What I'm teaching you here is reading the actual. Notice how I'm just teaching you how to read the chart here. This is reading the chart. This is when you start to become good at trading. This is now the bull market. We've started this is now a much stronger brand new bull market. This is now the new bull market. Look how strong that is. We're now getting away from that bull market there, and we're now starting this level through here. And the last one that I wanted to show you here is the energy sector. And this is the energy. This is the one that I guess like thumbnail, title of this video, right? And again, I guess it goes along with the thumbnail and the title of this video as well too. The main title of this video is this has been doing nothing for 20 years. 20 years this has been doing nothing, right? Purpose of me saying that, if you understand that, I see that the energy sector right now is actually just breaking out now after 20 years of doing nothing. And after 20 years of doing nothing in the markets, guess what? It's just starting out. So from an investment point of view, I believe the energy sector itself, is probably one of the greatest opportunities that I've seen now in a long time for new investments.